Oh, that's from your dad. None of it's from, that's not from me. You just had me use my account to buy them.
This is what I was wanting.
How many did you take? You only took 40, didn't you?
No. Yes, sir.
I got 2 things already.
What in the world is going on here?
I'll see.
Good turn for Butch.
Butch, why do you do that? You always look like a squirrel when you do that.
What's that?
Here, show Butch how you smile.
You can play.
Josh, can you stand up? And but
Boy. Laura, you're going way up in the air. You're about 4 feet in the air, Laura.
Mark,
Jump.
Josh jumps up high.
You weren't on there long enough. Sometimes you can't even jump when you go.
That's good.
That's about 4 feet at the highest.
That's incredible.
Look at that.
Mark is so good on that. He can do those flips and everything. Have they tried doing flips yet?
Oh, he's high.
Are we playing?
Okay, Josh, get over to the side.
Big in the legs, because I got little bitty legs.
I thought about that.
Debbie!
It's windy. Kind of cold.
How about that, Josh? Is that better? Is that better now?
You don't like it very much?
Eat the ice cream.
Here, Daddy. You try something.
He don't want some.
He'll eat some later. He'll try some later.
Apricot.
You need here. You got just a little bit of ice cream.
So you get ice cream with yours.
Yeah, a lot better that way if you're a little bit of.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
Ooh.
It's terrible. It's
He thinks
natural.
it's looking up.
Is it diamonds?
Or hearts? Would you rather have diamonds? Yeah, let's make it.
No.
No, it's hearts.
Oh.
I threw all my diamonds away.
Either way,
We can look back
show
on
one.
it.
You need your ears.
That'd make it rich.
Mom, sit down and show her ears.
Did you turn my soup off? Background or anything?
You gonna say it?
Happy New Year.
I don't know. You probably need some black-eyed peas to eat.
Black-eyed geckos.
How about you, Dan?
What?
What do you have to say?
You guys
Happy
stay
New
up
Year.
for Happy New Year.
Smile.
I'm real proud.
Woo. Say cheese, Grandpa.
Oh, this is a real party tape, I'm telling you.
Smile. Hey, you look over a big screen.
Happy New Year, Nay.
Nay, how come your glasses broke?
You gonna say it, Josh?
Happy New Year. Hello.
How do you do that to me?
She points that thing at you.
I got ya.
Yeah. That's
1991.
Renee, you want to go over there and stand by your grandpa? Renee got this way. Look this way, Grandpa.
Boy, she did well to find something like this.
Turn around. Turn around.
Now you gotta look towards the other camera.
She's gonna get us on moving film.
It's a unicorn with no unicorns.
Look what it does have on it,
Cows.
Daddy. It has cows on it.
It does.
Yep, right there's a cow. You see the cows? They're in the white.
My life, those are incredible.
Where should we get to put it? We get to put it up somewhere.
We don't.
It's warm.
How can you keep?
You got yeah.
What kind of thing is that?
Transformer.
What's it do?
What?
Show me, transform. Yeah.
Okay, I'll transform.
What? What's it do here? What's it doing?
I'm watching.
What's it doing? Uh-oh, he broke it.
No.
It all comes apart. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's it gonna be now?
Base.
Base.
Vase.
Landing field sort of thing.
The vase to put flowers in.
Base.
Hey,
So,
I always have a hard time.
there's a lot of people just was leaving and Mark was fussing with the other people.
People, crazy people. They'll be cold after
they
night.
just get off of work or something?
Not on New Year's Day, you wouldn't think. I'm afraid they know something we don't. They're just starting to bite this week leaving.
Some. Maybe so.
It's a base.
And that's that thing that was a tank.
Boy, that's nice.
I
Yeah.
transform the bag.
You wouldn't think they'd go that much trouble for a little trout, hardly, would you? Must be a big fat
They're
trout.
doing, but they sure had something in mind. But I didn't.
You probably should have visited. You should have
I thought they were just like to sit by a fire. Or something. Dude, what's it doing with all them guns?
This corn's a little cold, maybe.
This is it's ready to
Got a
go.
lot of firepower.
Grandpa, this is what Grandpa.
I think they called them armored cars or something.
Yeah.
And
It looks like one.
I was in there.
Ground shaker.
Ground.
Ground shaker.
What? Listen to it.
Mm.
You hear that, Grandpa?
Grandpa, this is what I got with you. See?